Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn to use the rand between formula, which allows us to enter random numbers in a cell or in a range in Excel. Like I have used this example wherein we have the dates over here and the name of some fruits over here and the quantity of the sales of these fruits. Now if I click over here, I'm in the formulas tab. If I click on calculate now, see what happens. These numbers are changing. Why they are changing? Because I have entered these numbers using the rand between formula, wherein whenever the sheet is calculated, the numbers change. I'll tell you how to use that formula. So it helps you in entering random data. So is equal to rand between, what did it say? That you can choose a number of any length. First, you have to mention the lowest number that you want in that series, say 2, and the highest number, let's say 500. Close the bracket, enter, and you get 106. Every time the sheet is recalculated, the number changes. All right, and now we can simply enter it in all these cells together. How? Just select all this range, and in the active cell which is already selected, type in is equal to rand between. Say this time we want the lowest number to be 500 and the highest number to be 7,896. Anything. And we close the bracket, and instead of just pressing the enter button, we press control and enter together. So this formula gets entered in all the selected cells. So now we have rand between. See, there is another similar formula which is called rand. What it does is that it simply returns two numbers, 0 or 1. That's it. See, if you see over here, 0 or 1. So this is how you use the rand between formula to enter random numbers in Excel. See you in the next video.